joke shots. Everyone knows that time plays a crucial role in our life. But also, the time changes from one place to another in our world. For example, the countries like India and England, the India is 5.5 hours ahead of England. Everyone knows it. Type of time changes occurs because the sun rises from the east, where the India is located in the eastern hemisphere, but the England is located in the western hemisphere. So only the India can see the sun more than 5 hours ahead from the England. There is a time lagging of 2 hours between the Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat because of this longitude extents. So now we are going to see about this. The longitudinal extent of Arunachal Pradesh is 97.25 degrees east, and in Gujarat the longitudinal extent is 68.7 degrees east. So we are taking the 82.30 degrees east, which is dividing the longitudinal extent of these two areas into two parts. So there is no time change of whole country, so we can take it as the standard time for the whole country. This line is passing through the Mirzapur, which is located in the Uttar Pradesh. What is the reason of taking the IST time for the whole country? The reason is, for example, there is a parade in Delhi at 7 am. The whole country want to see that parade at 7 am. But if they are using the local time, then there will be a change in the timing and they cannot see the parade. So that's why we are using that IST time for the whole country. Thank you, and please subscribe our channel and like, share.